Hi, friends, and happy holidays. Welcome to the fourth basic recipe. It is called Green Masala, meaning a green blend of spices, green coming from cilantro and green chilies. Remember my mom making this by grinding the ingredients on a rock. The ingredients were fresh green chilies, garlic, ginger, and cilantro. Her food was always very delicious. This masala was her secret sauce for pretty much all the recipes and she made, and she never used any boxed masala. I make this sauce in bulk for 3 to 4 months and fill 3 to 4 mason jars. I refrigerate one and the rest I freeze and use as needed. This sauce will be a lifesaver and save time when preparing many recipes. This sauce is really a lifesaver. You can add it to any vegetables or meat, chicken or fish, just maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons. Mix and cook for 10-15 minutes and you will have a delicious dish ready to go. Remember to check in next week for a delicious, quick and easy shrimp masala. For the full recipe and more, check out my website at honeylemonginger.com. For nutritious weekly recipes, subscribe to my channel for more. Until next time, with another great episode from Honey Lemon Ginger Holistic Health Coaching.